Hey, you want success? It's simple. Just set goals, right? Wrong. I'm not just setting goals. That's the easy part. It's achieving goals that gets just a little bit tricky. I mean, if you want to achieve your goals, you got to be on the lookout for the watch-outs, the pitfalls, the goal killer. Dun, dun, dun. Here, let's do this. Let me give you 5 reasons why sometimes you fail to achieve your goals. All right, reason number 1, lack of motivation. Now, I don't mean lack of motivation like I don't want to. I mean lack of clarity to your motivation. That is a strong understanding of your why. Why am I doing this? What is my internal motivation? What does this mean to me? Get your motivation right. Everything else follows. Reason number 2, lack of finish clarity. What is it gonna look like when I'm finished? Now, the reason that's so important is that a goal without a clear definition is just kind of a wish. But when you are very clear on what the end product looks like, when you are very clear on what it looks like, what it feels like to have accomplished that goal, then all of the steps start to fall into place to get you to that goal. Reason number 3 that you don't accomplish your goals is that distractions tend to overwhelm you. We all start out with the best intentions, right? We have that goal in place. We've even gotten that goal clarity. But sometimes we don't fully prepare for the distractions that are going to come along. Here come all of these other voices, these other noises, the din of life that take you off your game. And pretty soon you got tasks and assignments and those pesky customers and shiny objects and squirrel. Now, the best way to do that is to follow the practices of calendar blocking. Set an appointment with yourself, that dedicated amount of time where you are laser focused on nothing but goal achievement. Reason number 4, you hit roadblocks. You know, when we set our goal, there's no roadblock. We're all good. We're all ready to go. But then we go along and something gets in our way. You know, there's an old Zen saying, that's kind of stupid. There are no new Zen sayings, are there? Forget it. There's an old Zen saying that says, the obstacle is the path. The obstacle is the path. It's not on the path. It's not in the way of the path. It is the path. You need to learn to embrace those obstacles. You need to prepare for them in advance. Brainstorm, what are those obstacles that you know you're going to get? And then when you get the obstacles, lean in. And when you lean in and you lean in and you lean in, and pretty soon you lean right through to the other side. Reason number 5 that you sometimes don't accomplish your goals is that you believe the doubters. You know, the late Zig Ziglar, one of my heroes, once said, nobody ever erected a statue to a cynic. And it's really true. You're going to have people who are going to come along and try to discourage you. Ignore them. You're going to have people who are going to tell you it can't be done. Tell them to take a long walk off of a short pier. This is your goal, and this is for you. You're always going to have in your life people who are telling you that you're not good enough, you're not smart enough, and gosh darn it, that people don't like you very much. Tell them to take a hike. You must believe in you. Instead, prove them wrong. Prove that you can do it. Look, haters are going to hate, and you just have to shake it off. Just shake it off and move on. Let me tell you, I'm not suggesting to you that goal achievement is easy. It isn't. But if it was easy, it wouldn't be worth anything. So embrace the tough, embrace the challenge, embrace the suck, lean into it. Get your goal clarity, move through your obstacles, push your doubters out of the way, and at the end of the day, you'll be standing at the top of the mountain saying, looky here, look what I did. I'm out here changing the world. Hey, thanks for watching our 5-minute sales training, and this was our first episode, so if you liked it, boy, give it a like. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button right now. If you are subscribed, hit that little bell. It'll give you notifications when new ones are coming along. If you want to post it on social media, that would be great. But at the end of the day, what do we want to do? Learn more to earn more. We'll see you next time.